So I've arrived in Tajikistan, Dushanbe, after 15 hours of flying, 6 o'clock in the morning. We're blocked in by a car. Okay, that's the view from my hotel. Not the best of views, but it's hot outside. It's about 37. So I've had a bit of a sleep, so now I'm going to go for a wander, a little bit of a wander. So this is the street just leading away from the hotel. It is hot. Down we go. Right, I've arrived on the main road, Rudaki Street. First job is to find a money changer. This building here is the Writers' Union building. It's a fairly typical Soviet apartment block, but I'm heading over there. There's the largest flagpole in the world. Look at that, huge. Really, it's massive. I think that's the President's Palace over there. This is really nice. Some big fish in the water actually. Right, I'm in a nice park, nice waterfalls, and that street I was on, Rudaki Street, there's a statue of him here. It is. It seems quite nice. Dushanbe, nice and green. Doesn't seem harsh. People are not giving me stares. Just all right. Yeah, it's okay. So quite impressive. I'm assuming it's the monument to independence. And behind me, near a waterfall. Just found myself like a little restaurant bar. Got some bread. I'm gonna get a chicken kebab. It's hot. Quite nice here though. So cheers from Tajikistan. So just had my meal, and that's the Theatre and Opera House. Apparently this is the Presidential Palace as well. Another one. But I'm assuming that must be the President of Tajikistan. Back in the room. This is what Tajik samoni looks like. It's worth about £7. But look, unusually, 3. Right, so it's the next morning, 10 o'clock in the morning. Going out for another wander to see the sights I didn't see yesterday. It's another hot day. There's the mosque. It's really nice. I'm not sure whether I'm allowed in, but I'm going to go in anyway and see what happens. Right, so I'm back here. That's statue of Somoni. It's where Lenin used to be apparently, until they pulled him down. So this is a really nice square. Lots of work going on, building work. Yeah, it's really nice. I reckon some people say he's holding a fly swatter. I don't think so. I like the crown on the top. Alright, I'm at the National Museum of Antiquities of Tajikistan. It's rare that I do this, but apparently inside here is a huge reclining Buddha. Just come out, no photographs were allowed, but there was a huge, gigantic 13-metre Buddha in there. I couldn't take any photographs because there was someone falling around all the time. Nice tank. Lots of Soviet imagery on the walls there. Obviously, Soviets putting down Nazism. Right, I've been walking for ages, trying to find a cable car. Found where it goes from, but it seems locked, which is a real shame. But it went right up there, up to the hills. Apparently it's one of the scariest things you can do. Just about 40 minutes later, we've arrived in the town of Hisor. Now we need to find the old fort. So the driver just got out to find out where exactly the fort is. I'm hoping that's tea or beer. Right, I've just arrived. Here we are. It's a fort. It's quite nice. So my driver's down there. Talk to some geezer. This is behind it. New steps. Cost me 1 samani to get in, which is like 14 pence. So I reached the top of the battlements. Looking out over the valleys. Right, so that's the fort done. So that's my trip to Dushanbe done. Tomorrow I fly to Bishkek, capital of Kyrgyzstan. So goodbye from Dushanbe.